How to tag someone on Facebook after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag someone on Facebook after you have posted a particular post or a picture. Now, if you open up the Facebook app, and here you'll be able to create a new post and then select a particular post or upload it, and before uploading you'll be able to tag people right here. But if you didn't tag someone or you missed tagging someone while you posted the post and then now you want to post it or tag someone after you have posted it, then how you can do it. Now to do so, what you want to do is head over to the post. Now I'll just head into my picture real quick here. You can see all my posts here. You can head into by scrolling to your timeline, or if not, you can just head into your photos, and here into uploads you'll find all your posts right here. Now if you want to tag someone, what you want to do is open that particular post, and here at the top of your screen at the top right you can see three icons. That three dots icon, location icon, and then a little tag icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is tap on a picture. You can tap anywhere on the picture, just a single tap, and you'll get an option to tag here. Now you can select specific someone right here, and then you can tag them here. You can search for them too, like this. You can search for the username or profile name and they'll appear here. However, if you want to tag someone, you can just do this and you can tag them right here. And once you tag it, you just need to head back and they'll be tagged in the picture. If you tap on tag icon again, you can see they are tagged in the picture. And to remove the tag, what you want to do is tap on the name and then tap on the cross icon, and then they will be removed tag. So this way you can add tag on Facebook or tag someone on Facebook after posting. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.